So this is going to be slightly different. I just kind of wanted to rant about something. About a week ago or so, I've reinstalled Windows 10, which in hindsight I probably shouldn't have. And basically I've installed this latest version 1909. And although they didn't change much, if anything, but one of the things they did change is that they've updated, they revamped the Windows, the search function within Windows Explorer, which is this little window on the top right corner. As you can see, it looks different now, and apparently it has been, they've changed it to use the new so-called modern UI search engine, which is like the same thing you get in the start menu, which now allows it to fetch results from like Bing search and OneDrive, which I couldn't care less about. But the thing is, not only it is, in my opinion, worse than the old legacy implementation of the search that we had since Windows Vista and 7 and 8. The worst thing is that it doesn't actually work. It is broken. It screws up every once in a while, it just stops working. And after about a week or so of discussions and complaints, I now see there's a couple of actual articles online that acknowledge the issue. Apparently everyone but Microsoft is acknowledging the issue. Basically what happens is every once in a while it just gets broken, and whenever you try to search something, if you press Ctrl F, whether you press Ctrl F or whether you just click on it, the input stick, you know, the input symbol does not appear. And if you try to input something, it only takes one letter at a time. And if you try to type something, it just keeps typing the last letter that you've input. And the only way to fix it is to restart the Explorer, whether you use you know, the task manager, or I just go into the command prompt and just use a combine command to kill it and restart it. And today is the second time I'm doing this. So I think I'm definitely going back to 1903, because this is just unbearable. And even when it does work, the thing is, why I prefer the old search is that whenever you typed something, it would automatically fetch results down here. Whether now you have to actually press enter in order for the search to proceed. So it's slower, it's less efficient, it's less reliable, and it's fucking broken. And this having to press enter to execute the search is what actually concerns me the most, as well as in general, the more kind of laggy responsiveness of the new search engine, in my opinion and experience. Because when it comes to the problem, the bug itself, obviously they're going to address it and fix it in some future update, but the thought that we're going to be stuck now with these new modern search in future versions does make me a concern.